Good morning, children. Now question number 7th. The floor of a building consists of around 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped. Okay. So the floor of the building it is made of 3000 tiles and the tiles are in the shape of rhombus, children, and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in the length. Okay, the tiles are in the shape of diagonal and the tiles are in the shape of rhombus and the diagonals of the rhombus are given. You have to find the total cost of flooring if each tile costs rupees 20 per meter square. Okay, per meter square, that is 1 meter square. The cost of flooring for 1 meter square is 20 rupees. So here first of all we have to find the area of the floor. Okay, so solution. Okay, what is given? Given the floor of a building consists of around 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped. This is all given. Okay, and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. Okay, you have to find the total cost of flooring. So first of all we have to find the area of the floor. To find the area of a floor, first of all we will find the area of one tile which is in the shape of rhombus. Okay, area of one tile which is in the shape of rhombus. What is the formula? Half d1 and d2. Here d1 we will take as 45 centimeter and d2 we will take it as 30 centimeter. Now children, so half into 45 centimeter into 30 centimeter. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 5s are. So 45 into 15. If you will multiply 45 into 15, the answer will be 375 centimeter square. Okay. Now here the cost of flooring, if each tile costs 20 per meter square, it is given in meter square, children. Okay. Now this is the area of one tile, but how many tiles are there? There are 3000 tiles. So area of 3000 tiles will be 675 into 3000. So just if you multiply 675 into 3, 675 into 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 22, 3 6 are 18, 19, 20. 2025 with 3 zeros. This is centimeter square, but we have to convert it into meter square because the cost of 1 meter square is 20 rupees. Okay, to convert it into meter square we have to divide it with 10,000. This 0, this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 by 10 means it will be 202.5 meter square. This is the area of 3000 tile, that is area of, this is the area of the floor. okay, is 202.5 meter square. Okay, now cost of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 20. Cost of 202.5 meter square is equal to 202.5 into 20. So you can multiply 202.5 into 20. 0, 0, 0, 0. Cross mark. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 5. 2 0s are 0. 2 2s are 4. So 0, 0, 5, 0, 4. One number dot. So the cost, it will be 4050 rupees. So what is the question given? Find the total cost of flooring if each cost rupees 20 per meter square. Therefore, the total cost of flooring is equal to rupees 4050. Okay, children? Next. Now this sum also, watch the video carefully, children. A rectangular acrylic sheet is 36 centimeter by 25 centimeter. There is a acrylic sheet, children. This is a acrylic sheet, okay, which is in a shape of rectangle. The measurements of this sheet is 36 centimeter and 25 centimeter. Okay, from it 56 circular buttons, each of diameter 3.5 centimeter have been cut off. How many buttons are there? 56 buttons are there, children. Okay, 56 buttons are there on the acrylic sheet. Find the area of remaining sheet. So to find the area of remaining sheet, we will first find the area of rectangle. Then we will find area of one circular button. Then we will multiply one circular button into 56 because 56 buttons are there. Okay, so we will subtract area of 56 buttons, okay, from area of rectangular acrylic sheet. So in this way we will get the area of the remaining sheet. Okay, come on, we'll start. Area of a rectangular acrylic sheet. What is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. 36 centimeter into 25 centimeter. 36 into 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 3 are 15, 18. Cross mark. 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 6, 7. So 0, 10, 9. Area of acrylic sheet is 900 centimeter square. Now you have to find area. 56 circular buttons, each of diameter 3.5 centimeter have been cut out. So we will find area of one button. The button is in the shape of circle. So what is the formula? Pi r square. Now here diameter is given. Radius will be half of diameter. Value of pi is 22 by 7 into r square means 2 times r. So here diameter is given. Children, d is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So r will be 3.5 by 2. So 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2. 7 ones are 7, 7 zeros are 3. Then if you will consider 35, 7 5s are 35. Now multiply 3.5 into 0.5. 3.5 into 0.5. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15, 17. Cross mark. 0 5s are 0, 0 3s are 0. So 5, 7, 1. 1 number, 2 number dot. So 1 number, 2 number dot. So when you are multiplying 3.5 into 0.5, answer is 1.75. Now you have to multiply it with 2 ones are 2 11s are 1.75 into 11. So it is going to be 5 7 1 cross mark 5 7 1. So 5 12 7 8 9 1. So it is going to be 19.25. Now you have to divide it with 19.25 divided with 2. 2 9s are 18. 1 remains. Since point is there, put point, bring down 2. 6 are 12. 0, bring down 5. 2 2s are 4. 1 remain. You can take 0 again. 2 5s are 10. So it will be 9.625 centimeter square. Okay, this is area of one button. But how many buttons are there? 56 buttons are there. So area of 56 buttons is equal to 9.625 centimeter square into 56. Again you have to multiply 9.625 into 56. 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 15, 6 6 are 36, 37, 6 9s are 54, 55 56 57. 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 15, 6 6 are 36, 37, 6 9s are 54, 57. Cross 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12, 5 6 are 30, 31, 5 9s are 45, 46, 47, 48. 0, 10, 10, 8, 9, 13, 5. So how many numbers dot? 1, 2, 3 numbers dot. So area of 56 buttons is 539 centimeter square. To find the therefore area of the remaining sheet is equal to area of acrylic sheet minus area of 56 buttons. Okay, so 900 centimeter square minus 539 centimeter square. How much it will be? 900 minus 539. 8 1 9 minus 3 6 361. Area of remaining acrylic sheet is equal to 361 centimeter square. Okay children, so these two sums for today. Watch the video carefully and do it once in your CW. Thank you.